am happy to know that the students, teachers, and staff of Saint Al Hanif Education Group, Chandoli, Varanasi, have decided to raise awareness against the practice of dowry. As we all know, the practice of dowry is quite unbecoming of a modern civilized society, which strives to ensure gender equality and social justice. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, has said that any young man who makes dowry a condition to marriage discredits his education and his country and dishonors womanhood. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has repeatedly emphasized that dowry is a great social evil and it should find no place in customs or practices associated with marriage. The practice of dowry is a grave injustice and ignominy to the dignity of women, whose contributions to every achievement of our nation are well known. Giving and taking dowry are criminal offences, and as per Section 3 of Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961, it attracts imprisonment up to 5 years. Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code provides that the husband or relative of the husband of a woman subjecting her to cruelty shall be punished with imprisonment up to 3 years. However, in addition to the enforcement of strong laws, we need to build social sanctions against the evil practice of dowry. Awareness has to be raised to such a level that society should shun the practice of giving or demanding dowry, and even neighbors and relatives would not attend weddings involving the giving and taking of dowry. Respect for women is an ideal that elevates a society to noble levels of social welfare, as advised by our scriptures. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devta yatre tastu na pujyante sarvastira phala kriya. The divine are extremely happy where women are respected. Where they are not, all actions become fruitless. Our mindset and actions against dowry would go a long way in creating greater social awareness and ensuring the constitutional values of gender equality and social justice. I hope the young men and women in Saint Al Hanif Educational Group will come forward to boldly say no to a marriage that involves dowry. Remember, a strong no to dowry would be a strongest yes to equality and human dignity. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.